Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. We have made it halfway through the week, and I know here in the United States, many companies as well as the rest of us are gearing up for a long holiday weekend, with Monday being the July 4th holiday. But we still have some companies actively recruiting through the rest of this week before they take their little mini break. So without further ado, the online retailer Swim Outlet, they also run the yoga outlet, but they are hiring specifically for their Swim Outlet website. They are hiring part-time customer service representative. This is marked as an entry-level job, so not that much experience is needed to get in with them. And this is remote within the United States only. So Swim Outlet is a large online specialty store for aquatics that is ran within the United States. They have a large selection of swimwear, fashion swim, beach, and surf stuff. They are hiring someone to help customers' needs regarding their products and order inquiries via phone, email, and live chat. So you will not have to be on the phone the complete time. You will also be doing email and live chat, but this does require part of phone work. They are looking to have someone maintain high levels of customer service, research required information using their available resources, manage and resolve the customer complaints, provide customers with product and service information, process orders over the phone, resolve issues, identify and escalate issues as needed. You will document all call information per their standard operating procedures. So they're looking for someone who can maintain a positive work attitude and work atmosphere. They are also looking for someone who has excellent communication skills, great empathy for the customers, someone who can adapt to change quickly, and contribute overall to the great experience for the customers. So that means strong written and verbal communication skills, great attention to detail, and while you are talking to the customers, you will have to be typing and documenting what they're saying, so you need at least 40 words per minute. Great typing skills. Now, it does say that this is 100% remote work from home. Applicants can reside anywhere in the United States, so there are no state restrictions. It does say the position is paid hourly. However, it does not state what the hourly rate is. That is going to be dependent on your location and your experience, so that will vary for everyone. But it does say all training shifts are completed within the comfort of your own home. So training is remote too. They offer paid training, and that paid training is 2 weeks of online guided e-learning with group video meetings and one-on-one follow-up. In addition to the paid training, it says all required equipment is provided. So they provide all the equipment that you need. They train you, so this is a great work from home job to get your foot in the door. They do ask that you have open availability to start as early as 3 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which would be 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As always, if there is anything specific you are looking for, please leave that in the comments below, because I always read the comments and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.